Best smart plugs and power strips. Are you looking for the best smart plugs and power strips? In this video we will look at some of the best smart plugs and power strips on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Slim, EP25P4, efficiently tracks the energy consumption of connected devices, responds to voice commands, and is compatible with numerous third-party platforms, all at an affordable price. Number 2. The TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Slim, EP25P4, efficiently tracks the energy consumption of connected devices, responds to voice commands, and is compatible with numerous third-party platforms, all at an affordable price. Number 3. The Connect Sense Smart Outlet 2, a versatile smart plug, seamlessly integrates with Apple HomeKit and is compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri for voice control. Number 4. The mydlink Outdoor Wi-Fi Smart Plug, DSPW320, from D-Link is an outdoor multi-port outlet built for durability. It offers control via smartphone or voice commands and can be integrated with other smart devices through applets for automated triggering. Number 5. The cost-effective Emporia Smart Plug, equipped with Wi-Fi, enables you to manage any connected device using your phone or voice commands and offers comprehensive reports on energy consumption. Number 6. The HS300 from TP-Link's Kasa Smart Series is a Wi-Fi-enabled power strip featuring 6 outlets, offering advanced surge protection and the convenience of voice or mobile device control. Number 7. The highly economical Wyze Plug offers user-friendly operation, allowing you to manage any device plugged into it through your smartphone and voice commands. The TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini EP10 is a versatile smart plug that allows for control via your smartphone or voice commands.